Hello, welcome to Medicophili. Today in this video I am going to show how to use salbutamol or salbutamol. But I am going to show different types of inhalants. So as we know that we have short-acting beta agonist drugs like albuterol or salbutamol and levoalbuterol and pirboterol. We have three short-acting beta agonist drugs. So now I have albuterol. See, this is a salbutamol sulfate, and this is a 100 microgram. So we can use you can use 4 to 6 hours, every 4 to 6 hours. And so next I am going to show you guys the inhaler. This is called rotahaler. So we can rotate like this. See, we have to rotate like this. So we have to keep a capsule here, like we could keep the capsule albuterol or the salbutamol. Okay, we can keep the capsule here and just rotate like this. Okay, and the capsule will break down, and the powder of from the capsule is remain here. And next we can guys, so this one, so we have to take it in the mouth like this, and just hold your breath and like this, and just yes, like this only, guys. Just take one puff and wait for 2 minutes for the second puff. Okay, like that. So this is the way you have to take the we have to use a rotahaler. And next guys, I am going to show, this is the MDI or meter dose inhaler, guys. So this we have to take this is the salbutamol sulfate. So I'm going to show this one. Okay, this is, so we have to insert in this. Okay, so just open this more, so no need to open it. Okay, just guys, just like this, just press this one into. So this is a meter dose inhaler. So this is how we have to use the inhalers and the rotahalers for the asthma. In asthma patient we have to give like this. Okay guys, hope this video helps you guys. So thank you.